the air, Mampong, a bike. I don't know Mampong now. Maybe I saw what they happen.
Pay attention here. Pay attention.
You. The yeah, Yenya and Nakukuri. Oyen and not them. Right. It's a minimum of combined.
He's talking about the shrine.
Oh no, no, where you call Okun, you didn't man, the air Mampong by Okun is a Akuapem. Some men now crowd the foe, a young brewing. Oh no, across the Hene. Oh yeah, Udukro is a near or near Udukro. In the year, actually, the year Mampong, by La, what is the song? Oh yeah, across. Oh no, the man, oh yeah, two room for say, Woolsome, now, what you know, when you sank a year, abroad, Yakima, Yemen, Udukro. In the year, Udukro buyer, who could try the mind. A bosom would be a Amankrado. The Naku to Guinea, across the Hine, is asking in a terrible. And I had the young song. I don't put it. It was song no, the year by the say. A month to be a couple months to do something. You didn't go so. Came up from our black sea. We are with the way we are going to do our time. The young yet is from us. Never teach you. I never teach you.
Oh, let's give it to let's give it up.
Watch me.
Madam Sana.
Sharon, yes, okay. Where is he? Sharon, come, we are standing in front of your father and we are hiding.
Oh,
okay. And you are hiding?
Please, we are supposed to do introduction. Mampong, Amankrado is our papa here. Give him a big. He is the continue for Mampong. Oh, clap. And then I will leave the rest to our honorable chief to introduce the other chiefs for us. He is the Edukroyene for the whole Mampong, all the villages under Mampong. He is the chief. Oh, give me a clap.
Yo, there's so many woman from a champion.
A champagne. According to the that is why I belong.
And the home of Chaplain. And the home of Kitty. The home of Kitty.